12th May 2025, we're proceeding in the matter of Mengo and Mbenenge. Advocate Skippers.
Thank you, Chair. I'm ready to proceed. The next witness is already sitting in the chair. It's Mr. Neil Naidu. His evidence is in the continuation of Bundle 5, Volume 5, the red file in front of you, page 893.
Mr. Naidu, your full names, please.
My full name is Prabhakaran Naidu, P-R-A-B-A-G-A-R-A-N.
A-N.
A-N.
Do you have any objection against taking an oath?
None.
And in that case, do you swear that the evidence you're about to give will be nothing else but the truth? And if so, please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God."
So help me God.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Naidu. Please state your current position and when you were appointed in that position.
I'm the Director of Facilities and Security for the Office of the Chief Justice. I'm based in Midrand. Been appointed there on the 1st of July 2016.
Now, being the Director of Facilities and Securities, what is your, who are you the Director of, if I can put it to you? Are you only the Director there at Midrand, or what is the position?
So my responsibilities stretch to all superior courts. I'm responsible for the facilities portfolio as well as the security portfolio, all security at superior courts, and the security for the judiciary.
Just place on record, in all high court buildings, what is the security systems in place at all high court buildings?
There's various different, they are not standard at each court. So you'd have access control, which is x-ray machines. We'd have walk-through metal detectors. We have biometric readers, card readers for access control inside the buildings, CCTV cameras in most buildings.
Just state for us on record the working of the CCTV footage camera. Does the cameras run the whole day, or what is the position with the recording of the cameras, if I can put it like that?
Okay, so cameras are programmed to run or to record only when there is movement detected. So for the most part, at night, for example, and even when nobody is or there's no picture in the frame, the camera would go on pause. So only when somebody comes into frame or there's any movement, that includes even a tree moving on the outside in the parking areas, it will start to record.
Where is the footage being recorded to?
So at every court, superior court, there is control rooms. In those control rooms, there's equipment. We refer to them as DVRs and NVRs, which is digital video recorders. And footage is stored onto those devices. And from there, it is also transferred in some cases to even the server of the court.
You say sometimes it's transferred to the server in court. What situations will that be? When will it be transferred to the server?
It depends on the programming of the software. If the software is programmed in that fashion and there's insufficient memory on the actual DVR at the security control room, then data will be transferred from time to time, and over a period, it will overwrite itself.
Explain to us that overwriting of the footage.
So in order to maximize on the data storage, which is a challenge, we can only keep data for a certain period of time. So if you record data, you'd find that some courts will store up to 45 days, others up to 60 days, depending on the amount of volume or the volume of storage that we have. And as it reaches that end date, if it's 45 days, on the 45th day, it will overwrite the first day, and it continues in that fashion. On the 60th day, it will overwrite the first day and continues in that fashion. So you'd always have 60 days of recorded footage on your system.
Just for instance, if something happened in November 2022, will that footage still be on that system in a normal way of the workings of the system?
Negative.
Is there another way where it would be still accessible or present?
So if we copied the data off the hard drive and basically kept it stored either on the hard drive as a separate file or in a folder, it would be preserved. That's basically if we had the details of that recording that was required, but it would have been in that 60-day period.
All right. In this matter that we are here for the tribunal between the complainant, Ms. Mengo, and the Judge President, Judge President Mbenenge, what do you know about video footage in particular in this instance?
Okay, so I was not aware of a case or a matter being registered as a case. What I was informed by the then security manager, Mr. Norman Mabuza, I was called by him around the time between November and December. It's not very, I can't pinpoint exactly when. And he indicated, or he wanted to know, is it correct that a judge views footage without the due process being followed, which is requesting that footage be viewed? And I said to him, no, that is not correct. And he indicated that a judge has requested footage to be viewed through the control room operator, which is a contracted control room operator. And what I said to him is that, look, if a judge saw fit to view footage, then there might be something that will come in future. So let us copy that footage and keep it on the hard drive. And if anything comes off it, we have footage. But I only requested the footage that the judge requested to view.